With the As-Built for Revit Sections tools, it is possible to isolate portions of the point cloud while still keeping your Revit model visible. You can toggle between the sections using the As-Built Section Manager. You can always go back to all points to start anew, and then when you're ready to isolate a portion of the point cloud, use the 4 different tools here to clip out unwanted data. So in a plan view here, I'm going to use the Define Rectangle tool to isolate a portion of the data on the south side. It automatically brings up the renaming dialog, and I can give this a name. You get a new section in your section manager. It makes that section active, and you can do further clipping if you'd like to, let's say, remove the ground here. I did a define rectangle in plan. I'm going to do a define polygon here in elevation view, clicking several points. I can isolate just the portion that I want and hit the escape key to rename this. So maybe this one I'll call no ground, and it creates a subsection of the initial area that I isolated. Further isolation is possible. Let's say we want to isolate a row of structure. Go to a plan view here, and I'll do a define slice. Choose the plane that makes sense. Click the slice thickness in the cloud. I'm making sure that this is parallel with XZ plane, and then I'll just pick 2 points of different Y values, and this one we'll call, let's say, row 1. All of those sections are, of course, preserved here. You can toggle between them at any time, and your Revit model is still visible.